Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12 Accountancy. I, R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, is going to explain income and expenditure account of not for profit making organization. Now, dear children, a series of videos have been sent for the sake of you regarding the NPOs, how to prepare the financial statement of not for profit making organization. Now you can see you have sent me the problem of question number 42 of your textbook or reference book, that is given D.K. Goyal book. You can see the information a number of times it has been explained. Just go through the information given, go through the additional information given. The information will tell you just whether you fall in practice. The information will tell you just how to deal with the items given in the question paper. So now see, here the question number 42 I would like to read, and my dear children, you know yourself, doesn't matter, just the information will tell. Now see, given below is the receipt and payment account of Old Men Association Club. Old Men Association Club for the year ended 31st March 2017. Receipt and payment account. Balance subscription previous year, whatever the subscription received during this year related to previous year 2015-16 400, 16-17 20,500 and 17-18 600. Donation 9,500. Proceeds from entertainment, sale of newspaper. Now here you can see there are 500 members, each paying an annual subscription of rupees 50 means 25,000 and rupees 500 is still in area for 2015-16. 500 still area. I mean to say that is dues, means whatever the dues received in previous year, that is 400, but 500 still area, means it will shown in the balance sheet again when the money received, just can be treated in the account books of account. 1,000 for salaries is outstanding. Building stands in the books rupees 50,000, and it is required to write up depreciation at the rate of 5% per annum. Interest on investment is accrued for 5 months. So dear children, just I am going to prepare through the information income and expenditure account. First we have to draw the column of this one, income Old Men Club, that is given. See, this is the process of income and expenditure. You can see first we have to draw this one. This is the method of income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account. as the date whatever in just we have to prepare the 2017 31st March 17 amount income amount see over here, and this one is the column of expenditure. First go through the income, whatever the incomes given in the information, just you can see subscription, just you can write over here by subscription. By subscription received during the current year, that is given in receipt and payment to account 20,500. And regarding the subscription, the additional information given here, there are 500 members each paying in annual subscription of ₹50. So what is the actual income of this year? You can see 500 into 50 is equal to 25,000. The actual income of subscription for this particular accounting period 25,000, and we have received only 20,500. So the difference between two, whatever the actual income 25,000, and we are receiving received the annual subscription only 20,500. So that is dues. Just the outstanding subscription will be 25,000 minus 20,500 is equal to 4,500. That is the 4,500. So we can add outstanding subscription of the current year plus 4,500. That will be 25,000. Then again income donation. By donation, whatever the donation is some certain of amount given, that just treating like the revenue ledger 5,000. 9,500. Just we have to read the information given. Building stand, salary outstanding, no any information given regarding the donation. So to proceed from, just whether we are going to capitalize this one will be shown in the liabilities column of the balance sheet. But here whether we are going to consider this donation as a general donation, just recorded in the income and expenditure account. So we are going to recognize that one, consider that one. This one will be the capital ledger. So we can record the other entry by proceed from entertainment, by proceeds from entertainment, entertainment. Whatever the amount received, 5,400. Just we can write over here 5,400. By sale of newspaper. By sale of newspaper. The amount given 450. 450. Then after other things that is given in additional information, interest on investment is accrued for 5 months. Just the additional information required to write of depreciation. Investment 12%. 12% investment 20,000. Just we can a little bit of working note required. You can see over here, dear children, 20,000 into 12 upon 100, 2,400, and 5,000 interest accrued, means is not received during the accounting period. So this one is the 12 divided by 12. We can find the 1 month interest 200. Then the additional information given accrued for 5 months. 200 into 5 is equal to 1,000. So by accrued interest, interest on investment, that is 1,000. So this one is the income column. Now come to the payment column, expenditure, whatever the expenditure incurred during the accounting period. Just payment to salaries. Whether the additional information given regarding the salaries. So inside of the column will be written 5,500 at outstanding given. In additional information, 1,000 for salary is outstanding again. So add outstanding. Plus 1,000 it's equal to 6,500. 6,500. General expenses to general expenses. General expenses given 800. Entertainment expenses to entertainment expenses given 3,500. Newspaper to newspaper given 1,500. Then after municipal taxes to municipal taxes 500. This one is the information given, whatever the payment being made for the organization. You can see over here, go through the information given in the question. Just charity, to charity, whatever the charity given. Charity, you can see charity 3,500. 3,500. 12% investment. Investment is the asset also purchased, and electricity charges. To electricity charges. Electricity charges. 1,400. Again go through the additional information, whether something given. Yes, depreciation building 50,000. Depreciation on building, to depreciation on building, that is 50,000 given and 5% depreciation will be charged. So 5% of just 2,500. That is the depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. Then we can total the amount of questions. The surplus will be now total by and we are going to treat the donation that is given as revenue receipt. Okay, by donation in income column, by donation. By donation that is given 9,500. No additional information given regarding donation. So this one is treated like the general donation and recorded in income column of the income expenditure account. Just the total of this one. $41,300. $41,300. 41,300. We can calculate the amount. That will be the difference. Because of that, this one also zero. Now see the information, that is 4,500 receipt and other expenses. Sale of newspaper 450. Okay. 41,350. 350. Just the difference 50 amount. We can calculate the exceeds 120. See here, this one is the income and expenditure account. The total of the income will be 41,350 and it exceeds the expenditure by 21,150. So to income over expenditure, to excess of income, to excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. Surplus 21,150. Because of that, the income column exceeds the expenditure column. The total of the income column exceeds the total of the expenditure column by 21,150 rupees. First, the steps involving just we can total all the income column and total of the differences, whether the expenditure column exceeds the income column, that will be the deficit of the organization. This is the proper way, and I think this one is the video that is going on 30 March for the sake of you. 30 January I think so. So then after we will start the new chapter. So now keep on watching the video and you can deserve the fact. Thank you very much.